How to change Samsung Wallet swipe up gesture. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can adjust or remove the Samsung Wallet swipe up gesture. So the first method is adjusting the swipe up behavior. First, open the most recent version of Samsung Wallet, and once the app loads, tap the menu icon, then open the settings option located in the upper right corner. Inside the settings menu, look for the quick access section. When you enter quick access, you'll be able to control exactly how the swipe up shortcut functions. Here you can decide where Samsung Wallet can be launched from, such as the lock screen, the home screen when the screen is turned off. Simply toggle each option on or off depending on what you prefer. Once you make your selections, the changes apply right away. No need to restart anything. After that, you can close Samsung Wallet and swipe up action will now follow the settings you chose. Now, the second method is if you don't use Samsung Wallet. If you never plan to use Samsung Wallet and don't want the gesture at all, you can simply remove the app from your device. Once the app is gone, the swipe up shortcut disappears as well. So that's it for today's tutorial. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.